Good morning, students. Good morning, students. Today, I will discuss about graphical representation of motion, in which we will study dt graph or distance time graph or displacement time graph, and vt graph means velocity time graph or speed time graph. Now, we discuss about displacement time graph or dt graph. In uniform motion, it means when the speed of a body is constant, then vt graph will be straight line starting from the origin and goes obliquely. But in non-uniform motion or accelerated motion, the dt graph, it means distance time graph, will be a curve line going upward, which is called parabola also. Now I will discuss about speed equal to distance by time. Here distance equal to AB, since when the body is at point A and the time will be at point B, then distance travel equal to OC, and since OC is equal to AB, so distance travel is equal to AB and time taken is equal to OB. Hence, speed equal to AB by OB. Dear students, this ratio is called slope of dt graph. It means slope of dt graph gives the value of speed of moving body in uniform motion. Now, the students consider in triangle OAB. AB by OB is tan theta. It means perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base. So, speed equal to tan theta equal to slope of dt graph. Now I would like to discuss the second point, vt graph. It means velocity time graph or speed time graph in uniform motion. It means motion with constant speed or constant velocity in a straight line. The graph of uniform motion, the graph of the vt graph in uniform motion is a straight line parallel to time axis. The vt graph or speed time graph in uniform motion is a straight line parallel to time axis. Now, since speed is equal to distance by time, therefore distance is equal to speed into time. Now, since speed equal to OC and time equal to OB, hence OC into OB equal to area of quadrilateral or rectangle OBAC. Area of vt graph gives